Hi, it's Umang, a first-year DMBA student at Sri Krishna Biochemic College. In this video, I will be telling about biochemic system of medicine. We will know about its little bit of history, cell and its constituents, biochemic system of treatment, 12 biochemic tissue salt, and 28 biochemic combinations. Biochemic is made up of two words, bios and chemistry. Bios is a Greek word for life. Scientific names are usually written in Latin or Greek. Chemistry is a scientific study of properties and behavior of matter. The biochemic system of medicine was proved and introduced by Dr. William Henry Sussler in the year 1973. He was born on the 21st of August 1821 in Oldenburg, Germany, and died at the age of 77 on 30th March 1898. Dr. William Henry Sussler studied Dr. Rudolf Virchow's and Chekhov Mosward works to start his own investigations on cells and minerals. Professor Dr. Rudolf Virchow was a pathologist at a well-known Berlin hospital, Charité. He investigated the process in the cell. At the same time, the Dutch scientist and physiologist Jacob Moswort discovered the importance of mineral salts for the functioning of the human and animal body. In order to find the most common mineral salts prevailing in the human body, Dr. William Henry Sussler analyzed the ashes of dead body from the crematory. In doing this, he discovered that certain mineral salts predominated in certain tissues and organs. For example, potassium phosphate and magnesium phosphate were present in muscle tissues, and potassium chloride in mucous membrane, and calcium phosphate in bone tissues. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all forms of life. Cells are composed of water, inorganic ions, and carbon-containing organic molecules like nucleic acid, protein, carbohydrates, and lipids. Cells divide by the means of cell division, and a typical human cell takes about 24 hours to divide. Group of cell makes a tissue. Group of tissue makes an organ. Group of organ makes an organ system. And group of organ system makes an organism. According to Dr. Suster, when a cell gets all the nutrients and salts that are necessary for performing their regular biochemical activities, the cell stays healthy and no disease can take over the cell. But if somehow there occurs the deficiency of the required amount of nutrients or inorganic salts, the cell fails to perform their normal biochemical processes and functions, thus becomes weak and the disease takes over. So basically, biochemic treatment of medicine is all about cure by fill up the deficiency of tissue by the use of potentized biochemic salts. Biochemic system of treatment. It is a scientific system introduced by Dr. William Henry Sussler and basic concept was introduced by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. It is a central government and WHO recognized treatment procedure. It is almost harmless and easy to learn, and it is also an effective treatment system. Dual biochemic salts. Calcarea fluorica, Calcarea phosphorica, Calcarea sulfurica, Ferrum phosphoricum, Calimuraticum, Caliphosphoricum, Calisulfuricum, Magnesium phosphoricum, Natrum muriaticum, Natrum phosphoricum, Natrum sulfuricum, and Silesia. Calcarea fluorica. It works on epithelium, like surfaces of bone, teeth, enamel, elastic tissue. Key indication includes hardness, loss of elasticity, stiffness, dry skin, cracks, and stretch marks. Symptoms aggravates by wrist or on rainy season. Calcarea force works on muscle, bone. Key indication includes weakness, anemia, albuminous discharge, that is a egg white-like discharge, weak bone, and slow growth. Symptoms aggravates due to weather change, movement, and gets worse in night and cold. Calcarea sulf works on skin and mucous membrane. Symptoms include discharge and pus formation. Pus is of dark yellow color or blood from any part. It also includes suppuration. Serum phos works on blood and muscles. It is the first stage of inflammation on vital or non-vital organ. Symptoms includes redness, pain, and hot inflammation. Pain reduces by cold, and pain aggravates due to heat and movement. It also includes anemia. Calimure works on skin and serous membrane. It is the second stage of inflammation. It includes swelling, pus formation, pus is of white color, enlarged lymph nodes. Symptoms aggravates on eating oily and fatty food. Calisulf works on skin and mucous membrane. It is the third stage of inflammation. It includes dense, sticky, and yellowish discharge. Scaly skin on scalp, itchy skin, eczema, bad odor. Symptoms aggravates in hot summer or evening. Feel relief on fresh air or cold. Caliphos works on nerves and muscle. It includes nervous disability and its complication, weakness, poor resistance to cold, muscular destruction, rapid mental fatigue, bad odor discharge. Feel relief on rest and heat. MACPHOS works on nerves and muscles. It includes involuntary muscular contraction, pain reliefs by hot and pressure. It also includes neuralgic pain. Natrum Neuro works on all cells of body. It helps in fluid balance. Symptoms includes emaciation, weakness, desire for salt or salty taste, fear of death, highly sensitive, indigestion, and eczema. Natrum Phos helps in acid balance, acidity, heartburn, relieve nausea, treats arthritis, aids digestion, and feels relief on rest and heat. Natrum Sulf. It helps in treatment of digestive and gastric disorders. Symptoms include psychosis, suicidal tendency, edema. Swelling occurs when a part of body gets bigger because there is a buildup of fluid in tissue. In short, there is a fluid retention. Yellowish watery discharge, bilious disorder conditions that affect the bile ducts, gallbladder, or other structures involved in bile production and transportation. Jaundice, diarrhea, brown bitter coating on the tongue. All the symptoms are worse from water. Silicea, silicon dioxide. It is also known as surgeon's knife or foreign body. Works on skin, bone, cartilage, connective tissue, hair, nails. Symptoms include suppuration even after a little injury, weak bones, slow bone growth, somnambulism, commonly known as night walking, complication of boils, headache, majorly in right eyebrow, reaching, constipation. Symptoms aggravates on full moon, new moon, and cold. Feel relief by heat. Biochemic combination number 1, anemia. Calcaria phos, ferrum phos, natrum mur, caliphos. Anemia is a condition of decrease of red blood cell or hemoglobin. Symptoms include dizziness, fatigue, lightheadedness, fast heart rate, paler skin or eye, shortness of breath, or weakness. Biochemic combination number 2, asthma. Caliphos, macphos, natrum mur, natrum sulf. Asthma, when a person's airways become inflamed, narrow, and swell and produces extra mucus which make it difficult to breathe. Symptoms include difficulty in breathing, wheezing, breathing through the mouth, fast breathing, frequent respiratory infections, rapid breathing, or shortness of breath at night. Cough can occur at the night during exercise, can be chronic, dry with phlegm, mild or severe, chest pressure, flare, anxiety, early awakening, fast heartbeat, and throat irritation. Biochemic combination number 3, colic pain. Macphos, calcphos, natrum sulf, ferrum phos. Colic pain is obstruction within a hollow internal body part such as the intestine, gallbladder, rectum, kidneys, or ureters. To try to rid the body of the obstruction, the muscle contract vigorously around it, and these spasms cause pain. Symptoms include cramping, pain, and vomiting. Biochemic combination number 4, constipation. Calcarea floor, calimure, natramure, silicea. Constipation is a condition when a person passes less than 3 bowel movements a week or has difficult bowel movements. Symptoms include difficult and painful bowel movements fewer than 3 times a week, feeling uncomfortable, feeling flushed, and abdominal pain. Biochemic combination number 5, coryza. Ferrum phos, calimure, natramure, calisulf. Coryza is the inflammation of the mucous membrane in the nasal cavity and have symptom of common cold in human or a bacterial disease in chicken. Symptoms include nasal congestion, sneezing, runny nose. Biochemic combination number 6, cough, cold but no fever. Ferrum phos, calimure, macphos, natramure, natrum sulf. Symptoms include hard dry cough, sore chest with painful tickling cough, runny or blocked nose. Biochemic combination number 7, diabetes. Calcarea phos, ferrum phos, caliphos, natrum sulf. Diabetes is a group of diseases that result in too much sugar in the blood. Most common type of diabetes are type 2 diabetes. It is a chronic condition that affects the way the body processes blood sugar. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition in which the pancreas produces less or no insulin. Prediabetic, a condition in which blood sugar is high, not high enough to be type 2 diabetes. Symptoms include frequent urination, increased thirst, increased hunger. It is caused mainly due to insulin insufficiency or gradual resistance. Treatment includes lifestyle changes, diabetes medication. Biochemic combination number 8, diarrhea. Calcarea phos, ferrum phos, caliphos, natrum sulf. Diarrhea includes loose, watery stool that occur more frequently than usual, and it is caused by a virus or sometimes contaminated food. Biochemic combination number 9, dysentery. Ferrum phos, calimure, caliphos, macphos. Dysentery is the inflammation of the intestine accompanied by bloody diarrhea. It is most often caused by Shigella bacteria, Shigellolosis, or an amoeba parasite. Symptoms include bloody diarrhea, pain, cramps, and weight loss. Biochemic combination number 10, enlarged tonsil. Calcarea phos, ferrum phos, calimure. Enlarged tonsils, swollen tissue in the back of the throat that can make it hard to swallow or breathe. Biochemic combination number 11, fever. Ferrum phos, calimure, natramure, calisulf, natrum sulf. Fever, abnormal increase in the body temperature. It is an immunity response and a sign of inflammation. It is also a second line of defense that activates when a microbe enters in body. Biochemic combination number 12, headache. Ferrum phos, caliphos, macphos, natramure. Biochemic combination number 13, leukorrhea. Calcarea phos, caliphos, calisulf, natramure. Leukorrhea. It's a normal vaginal discharge that usually clear, milky white, or thin with a mild odor. Leukorrhea can become abnormal and indicate a problem if it changes in the following ways: color, yellowish, greenish, grayish, blood-tinged, white, and clumpy or pus-like. Consistency, thicker or heavier than usual or chunky cheese-like texture. Biochemic combination number 14, measles. Ferrum phos, calimure, calisulf. Measles is a contagious viral infection that can be serious for small children but is easily preventable by a vaccine. Symptoms include cough, runny nose, inflamed eyes, sore throat, fever, red blotchy skin rash. Biochemic combination 15, menstruation problem. Calcarea phos, ferrum phos, caliphos, calisulf, macphos. relieve menstrual discomfort and its associated symptoms, enhance uterine vitality, maintaining uterine balance and function, hormonal balance. Biochemic combination number 16, nerve problem. Calcarea phos, verum phos, caliphos, macphos, natramur. It helps to treat depression, nervousness, irritability, emotional and excited behavior, night terrors, confusion, sleeplessness, ill effects of grief, and also indicated in general weakness of heart and nervous system. Biochemic combination number 17, piles or hemorrhoid. Calcarea phor, verum phos, calimure, caliphos. Piles is a swollen and inflamed veins in the rectum and anus that cause discomfort and bleeding. Biochemic combination number 18, pyorrhea. Calcarea phos, calcarea sulf, silesia, caliphos. Pyorrhea is a multifactorial disease that directly affects the gum tissue and the bones in the mouth. Symptoms include swollen, red, and tender gums and bleeding gums. Biochemic combination number 19, rheumatic. Ferrum phos, macphos, natrum sulf, and calcarea florica, calcarea phosphorica, and calcium carbonate can also be given. Rheumatic. Inflammation of muscle joints, heart valves, and other parts of the body. Symptoms include joint pain, soreness, and tenderness, inflammation or swelling, redness, and warmth in the joint or affected areas. Biochemic combination number 20, skin disease. Calcarea flor, calcarea sulf, calisulf, natrum mu, natrum sulf. Symptoms includes dry and cracked skin, acne, eczema, eruptions on the scalp, and psoriasis. Biochemic combination number 21, teething troubles. Calcarea phos, verum phos. Delayed or slow teething in children, tardy dentation, help associated symptoms like diarrhea, drooling of the saliva, irritability, restlessness, desire to bite, and refusal to feed. Biochemic combination number 22, scrofula. Calcarea phos, verum phos, calimu, silesia. Scrofula is an infection in the lymph nodes on the neck. The bacteria that causes tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, is the most common cause. Non-tuberculosis mycobacteria can also cause it. Symptoms include swollen spots in your neck due to the infection in the lymph nodes. Biochemic combination number 23, teeth pain. Ferrum phos, calcarea phos, macphos. Biochemic combination number 24, 5-phos medicine. Calcarea phos, verum phos, caliphos, natrum phos, macphos. Nutrition to nerves, brain, and bones and helps building tissues. Reduce stress, anxiety, depression, muscle spasm, headache. Improves digestion, nervous exhaustion, weakness of muscle and body pain. Oxygenation of the cells and give them life and strength. Biochemic combination number 25, acidity. Natrum phos, natrum sulf, silesia. Caused by excess intake of alcohol, smoking, spicy food, irregular eating habits, stress, anxiety. Feeling of heaviness in the abdomen, heartburn and burning sensation in the abdomen, and also indigestion. Biochemic combination number 26, easy parturition. Mac phos, calcarea phos, caliphos, calcarea flor, ferrum phos. It relieves labor pain, improve health of mother and development of the child, and development of new tissue, blood and bones. Also maintain good health of uterus and its muscle. Biochemic combination number 27, lack of vitality. Calcarea phos, caliphos, natrum mu. It maintains proper electrolyte balance, healthy functioning of bones and cartilage, reduces nervous weaknesses and impotency, also helps in treatment of premature ejaculation, and also reduces irregular menses. Biochemic combination number 28, health promotion. Calcarea flor, calcarea phos, calcarea sulf, ferrum phos, calimune, caliphos, calisulf, macphos, natrum mu, natrum phos, natrum sulf, and silesia. Maintaining normal physiological functions supports the health of brain, bones, joints, and glands, maintain the health of kidney and mucous membrane, promotes healthy skin. Every biochemical remedy must be diluted so that the functions of healthy cells are not disturbed. Biochemic salts are prepared in powder and tablet form. Titration is a preparation process of drug. Titrations are made to read 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x, and etc. For general purpose, 3x potency is recommended for acute cases, while 6x, 30x, and 200x work better in most chronic cases. Doses can be given dry on tongue or dissolved in a tablespoon of water. The repetition of dose can be given as per the severity and nature of the case. And drug selection need to be done by considering the totality of symptom.